support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
Hello, Internet. I'm Scott with PLUGHITZ Live, part of the Tech Podcast Network. We are here at Showstoppers at CES 2024, and I've got some incredible artwork behind me. We'll find out about that in just a moment. But first, go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
My name is Sarajean. Hi, everybody. I am part of the Wacom team, and I'm here to show you some of the technology that we have been developing and some of the stuff that I'm personally very excited about as an artist. So I do traditional art, I do digital art, and so these technology moving forward, I am very just thrilled to share with you.
Well, let's talk about your art before we get to Wacom. They can hold off for just a second. This is you, right?
Yes, this is me. Yeah.
Incredible.
Thank you. Yeah, so this one is actually Rebel, which is an incredible software. They're one of our partners, but I personally just absolutely love their software. It imitates the traditional medium very, very well. And I love the vibrant colors, and it just shows really well on the Wacom tablet screens. So, yeah.
So, I have a Surface that I use, and the pens are Wacom.
Yeah.
And when I first got it, I used Fresh Paint, which has the same thing. I mean, not to this detail, but I really enjoyed that, like, halfway between digital and, like, paint.
Yeah, absolutely. I think there is so much beauty between, like, digital art, traditional art, and then the transition of it. Like, they kind of melt together. So that's what Wacom has been trying really hard to do, is to produce that sort of really authentic feeling when you're creating art traditionally. Yeah.
And so let's get into what Wacom's got going on.
Absolutely.
One of the things that I like is that even like the Surface Pen or the Wacom pens, they have texture to them.
Yeah.
They do feel like you're using something, not a stylus.
Yeah. So our stylus does have like a very interesting nib. Like, it has an interesting texture, and our surface is matte. So when you're drawing on it, it just has that natural, what is the word, like a scratchiness to it? Yeah, it just almost feels like paper. I would be completely honest to say it's not 100% alike, but it's still very good.
A good facsimile.
Yes, exactly.
So what have we got here in terms of technology?
Yeah, so today we are working on a Wacom Cintiq Pro 22. So this one is a 4K display, 120 refresh rate, which is our first product line to support 120 refresh rate. The previous ones were all 60. Yeah, so if you want to play games on this, you can. I wouldn't really recommend it, but but you can, right?
It would be one of the first things I'd try, though.
I know, you probably wouldn't want to do that, yeah. But so basically it supports very true color. The color depth is even more of an improvement compared to our previous lines. So for film industry, for animation, for illustrators, like these are such an amazing, basically the next step. Right? And then for the pen, we have a new type of pen which we also allow a ton of customization. So for example, there is a hole inside, it comes with weight, and then you can choose to weight it at the front of the pen or the back of the pen, depending on different usage. Or you can put in a grip that all comes with the tablet, or you can swap out the button, you can swap it to like one button plate or 3 buttons. Yeah, so these are all of the fancy stuff that we are doing with the pen to make it more user-friendly, depending on everybody's habits.
Can I hold the pen?
Yes. It's battery-free.
Okay.
Battery-free, super light, so no need to charge them.
So is it a passive stylus, or does it get power through the screen?
It's completely passive. Yeah. So it doesn't have a battery inside. So it does. Basically, it's just. So that's what you meant. I'm so sorry. I kind of misunderstood. It does get just powered by the tablet. Yeah. So it talks to the tablet, and then so we have different pen technology in different product lines. They may not necessarily work with each other, but some of them do. Yeah.
Yeah. I think one of the Surface pens did that. I really like the weight, like the feel, not necessarily the weight, but I really like the feel of it.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's very comfortable to hold. And that's why like we want to have a skinny, kind of like a skinny solution for people who are used to that. But then it also comes with a grip for people who are used to like holding it a little bit bigger size pen. Yeah. Yeah.
So is this on the market now? Is it coming soon?
Yes, this is currently on the market. You can get it through Wacom eShop or any of our retailers.
What's the retail on it?
So the retail is for $3,000. Yeah. Yeah.
And what else have we got around here? I see a display.
Yeah, so we have also a Wacom One. So the Wacom One is more of an intro level tablet. So this one is a 500 USD, and it's HD monitor compared to our 4K one. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And even the HD looks good. It's not this, but
yeah, for sure. I think like the smaller size kind of helps with it because it feels sharper, right? Like, yeah, for sure. And then it's super lightweight, has touch functionality. Yeah, yeah. Let me touch that. Okay. Very smooth. Yeah.
And that one's available too?
Yes, this one is available too. Excellent. Yeah.
Well, I can guarantee that people are going to want more information about these. Yeah. How can they get it?
So you can get all of our information through the Wacom blog. You can get it through the Wacom community sites. All of those information will be available on there. Yeah, our community site is a great place for communications. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, yeah.
For continuing CES 2024 coverage, stay tuned to PLUGHITZlive.com/CES. The Tech Podcast Network CES 2024 coverage is executive produced by Michelle Mendez. Technical directors are Kurt Corliss and Adam Barker. Associate producers are Nancy Hertz, Clinton Millsap, Sergio Velasquez, and Terry Willingham. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, Todd Cochran, Scott Ertz, and Christopher Jordan. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. This has been a Tech Podcast Network broadcast, copyright 2024.